Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes, fix this operation has been cancelled due to restrictions error in Windows 11, 10. First method is change registry settings. Second method is change group policy settings. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.